this chapter. Please subscribe my channel for get new updates.
Today we are starting with the discussion about table tag. We can use a table tag for represent our information in the table in HTML language. The table tag is a block element used to create a table. With the help of table tag, we can make a table in the web page for describe our information very clearly. It is useful when you want to represent data using rows and columns. You also know that tables are the collection of rows and columns. In the table, many rows and columns are used for show the data very clearly. The basic elements that make up a table include th, td, and tr. The full form of th is table heading, TD's full form is table data, and TR's full form is table row. Every table heading and table data is included in the table row. In the table heading, we can discuss or display our heading which we want to show in a table. And in the table data, we can use our data which is under the table heading or under the table row. Table heading, table row, and table data is a paired tag. So, with the help of these tags, we can make a table in the web page. Now, we see the syntax of table tag in the HTML language. You can see in the syntax we use table tag. Table is a pair tag, so we have to open and close the table tag. In the table tag, we use table row tag. In the table row, we want to declare the table heading. In the table heading, we can write any text which will show in the heading of the table. Next, we use second table row, and in that row, we use table data. These data are related to the table heading. So, this is the syntax of table heading which we use in the HTML language in the part of body. Further, we saw the proper example of table tag in the HTML language. Now, we see the proper example of table tag in the HTML language. This is the example of table tag in the HTML language. You can see that I use HTML pair tag and further I use table pair tag. In the first row I use the two table heading, name and class. Name and class will be shown in the heading in the table. So, in the next row, I use the table data for this two time. So, the data should be related to the table heading. So, you can see that in the heading I use name. So, in the first table data, I write the name of any person. In the second table heading, I use the class. So, in the second row, I use the table data related to class. So, I write 10th class. So, you can get the idea that we have to write the table data related to the table heading we declare in the table row in the table tag. Let's see the output of table tag which we was write in the HTML language. This is the output of HTML tag. You was notice that we were use name and class as a table heading in the first row. So you can see that in the first row the name and class are represent as the table heading, and in the further in the data name Neha and 10th are represent as the data of the row of second. So you can also include another data in the table for show your data.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel for get new updates.